Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide. Now, Blackpool Pleasure Beach is one of our favourite parks here in the United Kingdom. It's somewhere that we've always visited on a regular basis, we've had platinum passes for many years, and of course it's a park that we are very passionate about, especially the history of Blackpool Pleasure Beach. It's something that we've always loved. Now, in terms of the park, it is closed at the moment, just like other theme parks, due to COVID-19. However, the park have been working on some brand new theme park merchandise. Now, with Blackpool Pleasure Beach, the merchandise has really improved over the past couple of years. They've really thought about the branding and the different logos and of course the history and bringing that into the merchandise. And it's something that I'm really passionate about. Every time we go to the Pleasure Beach, I'm always looking in the different shops, whether it's Kiss Me Quick underneath the flying machines or the Icon shop, and of course all the other retail units that make up Blackpool Pleasure Beach, and seeing what new merchandise is on offer. Now, of course, with the park being closed at the moment, there's no way of actually going to Blackpool Pleasure Beach and buying new merchandise. So they've decided to send me some, and of course to share it with all of you guys. So I just want to say a big thank you to the team at Blackpool Pleasure Beach for sending me this. It's a mystery box. There we go. It says fragile all around the side. And yeah, I've literally just opened the box here and I don't really know what's inside. I'm just going to go with this. I'm going to pull out the items as we go, share my thoughts on them, and yeah, let's just go for it. It's an unboxing. So here we go. Let's start off with, oh, not the first item. There we go. This is a piece of fragile packing. Tell you what, look at that. Isn't that quality packaging? It's like it's got air blown into it just to like keep it protected. That is brilliant stuff. Look at that. Now, of course, the Pleasure Beach do have an online shop where you can buy theme park memorabilia. So I assume this is maybe what they box things in to keep them safe for potion packaging. Look at that. It's really nice. Fragile. Right, here we go. Let's have a look at the first couple of things that we've got down here. Starting off with a mug. Here we go. Oh, here we go. A new Icon mug. Icon Dare to Ride. Oh, I like this. Here we go. You've got the gold all around the top, of course. Gold is one of the main colour schemes of the ride with the train and some of the theming around. But you've also got the like the cherry blossom on the side there as well. That's nice, that, isn't it? All the pink blossom. There we go. Icon Dare to Ride. I've always enjoyed the branding for Icon. Really nice and modern. And of course, got the poster actually just behind me there. But yeah, it's my favourite coaster in the UK. And yeah, I think that's a really nice piece of merch. On the bottom, it's got the logo. Nothing on the inside there. But I don't think it really needs it, does it? The fact it's got the logo on the bottom and you've got, you know, this that's embossed, you know, like I put it down like that for you. And there you go. It's embossed. It's not just printed on there. Really, really like that. I think it's lovely. What a really nice item. So there we go. It's the first thing to have a look at. I think we've got another Icon mug just down here as well, and some more, oh, knocking myself in the face with it. Some more fragile packaging. There we go. I hope there was nothing in that. Here we go. So this is a black Icon mug now. So you've just seen the white one. This is the black version of that. There we go. That's nice. I'd probably take this one over that, actually. I just think it really, like the cherry blossom and stuff comes up really nice on there. That looks good, doesn't it? And you can still see like the branches on the tree. You've got like the gold rim around the top there. And of course that embossed logo as well, with a white Pleasure Beach logo on the bottom. Again, nothing on the inside of that one. But yeah, I think that's another really nice item. They're great, they are. They've sold similar mugs, but with that cherry blossom on the side, that's what really, really makes it for me, all them blossoms. And of course, they're on the poster for Icon there behind me as well. Some more packaging. There we go. Fragile. Oh, here we go. Looks like we've got some... oh, I recognise these from the park. So we've got some candy floss that they've sent me. Maybe this was just stuff that had to be used over the past, you know, the next few weeks, and with them being closed, obviously it can't be. So here we go. Got some candy floss. That can be for Charlotte. She can have that. Oh, I've got some rock here as well. Loads of rock. Look at all that. Oh, blimey. What have we got here? Salted caramel rock. Oh, lovely. And some Pleasure Beach branded rock here as well that you can buy at the park. There we go. It's quite nice, isn't it? All around the side. But yeah, thanks for that. Some rock. Also a bucket. This is quite funny because these are like buckets of fries, and you can buy these and they put like just fill them with fries inside there. So that's quite a nice little thing what they do at Pleasure Beach as well, like your bucket and spade. I haven't got the spade unless it's somewhere else in the box, but yeah, I've got the bucket there. How nice of them. There we go. Sending me some rock. Right, what else have we got? Some more fragile packaging. These are great. Like, look at that. It's like air filled. Brilliant. Really nice quality. And oh, wow. Right, now we're talking. Look at this. Wow. Now, of course, I'm a huge fan of Valhalla. I absolutely love it. It's 20 years old this year. Now, even though the park is closed at the moment, the ride was actually going to be shut all throughout this year for a huge refurbishment, but I can't believe that. Look at it. That is an amazing, massive, like, stein, isn't it? Look at the size of that. It's like the size of my head. That is incredible. And I've just noticed as well from looking at it back in the camera there, it's like the boat, isn't it? So you've got like the boat down here at the bottom with all the Viking shields on. And then this is, of course, from on the front of the boat. So that is amazing. I love that. Of course, you've got Valhalla in the middle. That is fantastic. Honestly, shocked. It's my first time looking at all this. So I'm like, oh, wow. That is really, really nice. You've got the rope around the top. Valhalla is also embossed on there as well. Put it on the side. So you see what I mean? Like, it's just bumpy. It's not just flat and printed on. That is gorgeous. The big Pleasure Beach logo on the bottom as well. Oh, that is really, really nice. Carries on all around the back as well. That is one of my favourite ever items from Blackpool Pleasure Beach. And even though the ride shut this year and was going to be planned to be closed for its refurbishment, it's good that they're still bringing out merchandise. And it also shows as well that the branding's staying the same, because I love that on Valhalla. The logos, the branding. I can't wait to ride it again. And of course, you know, who knows if it's still going to be opening for next year like it was originally planned. Of course, the work can't be taking place at the moment, so we'll be following it here on the channel. But yeah, that is amazing. Honestly, I love it. Again, the size of it, like, that is insane. Like, I'll put like my hand next to it. There you go. That shows how big it is. Not just like a small mug. There we go. I'll show you the icon one again next to it. Look at that. Look at the size difference. That is incredible. But wow, the Valhalla tankard, absolutely brilliant. And yeah, it just shows the quality of merchandise. Go back 5 years, there was nothing of that standard in the memorabilia collection, what was on sale. That is absolutely stunning. Right, here we go. We've got some more packaging. I tell you what, they didn't want stuff getting damaged. I can see though why now with that one. That's incredible. Especially, I mean, the icon ones are great, but that's even better. So here we go. Oh wow. So we got some snow globes, it seems, down here as well. Another Valhalla item. Oh, look at this. I love the box. Oh, wow. That is incredible. So we've got a Valhalla snow globe in there. That's really, really nice, isn't it? I'll tell you what I'll do after I finish recording this. I'll take it out of the box and I'll put it on for you now. So here you go. Here it is out of the box, so you can see some more of the details. Of course, on the front, you've got Valhalla with that wood around the side. The shields are on the edge there as well. You got the skull, which is at the entrance to the ride on the right hand side of the facade, and of course one of the longboats there as well with the rose on there with the red seats. I tell you what, they've really done a good job of like replicating the boat just there. You got a Viking standing out as well next to the one that you go through that's on the facade, and some of the rocks as well. You've also got rocks around the bottom of it. I mean, that is gorgeous. I really, really like that. It's, the quality of the merch is just getting even better. And then you go on to the box as well, you know, Ride the Adventure with the logo on the side, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Really, really nice. That is stunning. And you can see it on the back there as well. There is another snow globe that they've sent me. I can't believe it. Like, I wasn't expecting all this. When they said they were sending me a mystery box, I wasn't too sure what to get. But I'll show you that other snow globe in a moment. We'll go on to this one next. Just a little magnet here as well with Funshine on there. Something else what they sell at the park. Good to see that Funshine is coming back. It's that classic Blackpool mascot that I'm a big fan of. And you know what I'd love to see them do? You've got like the white entrance archways at the entrance to the park. And they used to actually have Funshine on there as a light up sign. And they took it out many years ago when they were trying to move away from Funshine. Now would be the perfect time to get some brand new signs done to go on there, because they've actually still got the four supports that used to hang the signs on. And honestly, it would really make it if they sort of brought Funshine back properly. And they've got the Funshine biscuits that they've still kept going for years, and they're bringing him back in terms of with merchandise as well. So who knows, but I would love to see them entrance archways done. They took one of them down when they built the Boulevard Hotel for last year. However, there's still the ones down at the actual main entrance, the car park, and also when you're walking from the promenade. So I'd love to see them do that. And the final item that I've got in the box, massive box, I can't believe it. Like, what a brilliant item. So nice of them to send it me. Is the Icon Snow Globe. So yeah, another really nice thing to have. I believe this was already out earlier this season. I remember showing this one, but there you go, the Icon Snow Globe. Again, I'll take this one out so you can see that on the box as well. It's really nicely detailed, but you've got the gates for the ride that are down the front with the Icon logo above, the daggers on the side, and of course inside the snow globe you've got the train as well. I prefer the Valhalla snow globe, don't get me wrong, I think this is nice. However, I would have probably gone for a different design on the train inside if it was me. I think, you know, it's nice how they've gone for it, but it's only got like 3 carriages and the zero car on the front. I think that could have been even nicer if they'd have done a bit of a different design in the snow globe. But don't get me wrong, the quality of it is really nice. It's just not the design that I would have gone for with that one. However, you know, it's still a really nice item that they sell. You've got the icon logo, the dagger there on the side, and on the back as well, of course, a picture of what it is. I like how they put that on the back, because it means obviously if you're in the shop, you can pick it up, have a look on the back and think, oh, you know, that's exactly what it looks like on the inside. But yeah, there you go, some lovely items. Something that's great about Pleasure Beach as well is they actually sell old ride parts. You can get all sorts of stuff like coaster wheels. They used to sell blocks of wood from some of the wooden coasters that they've done support and track replacement. There's a really nice memorabilia collection, and it's really nice to see that Blackpool Pleasure Beach have really thought about that over the past couple of years, and it keeps getting better. There's a lot of new clothing and stuff what they bring out as well. It's great to see, and thanks to the team there for sending me some new mugs, and that tankard is amazing. Let's have another look at that. Absolutely stunning. That is probably my favourite piece of memorabilia they've sold in terms of merchandise in the shop. You know, not like the genuine ride parts and stuff, but in terms of mugs, t-shirts and stuff, that is my favourite thing they've sold. I love that to bits. And yeah, it's like they knew that my face would light up when they sent me that in the post. Absolutely incredible. And yeah, I am impressed with it all. Like all the packaging as well. Like I say, if you order from the shop, I assume it comes with all this style of packaging, but there you go. It's incredible. I'm amazed by the packaging. Like, it's crazy, isn't it? But there you go. Thanks again to Blackpool Pleasure Beach for sending this to me. As soon as you are open again and it's safe to do so, we'll be back there. We'll be filming a vlog, and it's going to be like the start of the season all over again when we're back at the park. It'll be emotional, it really will. But just want to say my best wishes to all the staff at the park, the merchandise team, of course, that put all this together and sent it me, the marketing team at the park as well. And I look forward to catching up with you all and seeing you again soon when you're back open. But there you go. What an item. I'm so chuffed with that. It's made my week, that has. Absolutely incredible. Brilliant. I need to have a beer in it now, don't I? Break my rule of not drinking in my mugs and have a beer in it. But there we go. Thank you very much for watching Theme Park Worldwide, and I'll be back again every day. There's brand new videos here on the channel. There's reviews, there's POVs, Planet Coaster, and so much more. That means it's time to cue those credits. See you in the next video.